Hello everybody, welcome to the class. Today we are going to learn about the story of the four seasons. Before that, we have to know what is a season. A season is one of four periods in a year. Each season lasts about 3 months. In each season, there are changes in temperature, weather, and length of daylight. You know, children, why do we have season and why it is important for our lives? The season change as the earth moves closer or farther away from the sun. Places which comes close to the sun experience summer, and when they are away from the sun, they experience winter. You know, children, what are the things that we need to live in a healthy life? Yes, we need food, a fresh air, and the clean water. These three things are very important to have a healthy life. Do you know how do we get a green grass? Yes, with the help of the rain and sunlight, we can have a green grass. You know, children, long ago, the earth was always hot and dry. There was no winter, there was no spring or autumn. It was summer all the time. Each day, the sun rose, shone brightly on the earth, and crossed the sky. There were no clouds to cover the hot sun and provide the shade for the people. You know, the grass was very dry and brown. Have you seen an animal stories? Do you think ever that the animal stories are different from other stories? Okay, let's see the picture. Can you see the animals here? What are the animals worried about? If they are happy or sad? Now we are going to learn about a story of four seasons and we are going to know how the earth got these seasons. Let's watch the video, children.
Long ago, the earth was hot and dry. There was no winter or spring or autumn. It was summer all the time. Each day, the sun rose and crossed the sky. No clouds covered the sun, no shade for earth. The grass was always dry and brown. Streams and rivers dried out. Dust filled the air. There is nothing to drink, not even a little dew in the morning, said the deer. There is nothing to eat except dry grass, said the rabbit. The polar bear said, there is no ice for me to sit on. The brown bear added his bit. Achoo! There is not even a breath of fresh air to breathe, only dust.
What are animals worried about? The animals were complaining that it was too hot for them to live. Right. What do the animals say in the second picture? The polar bear said that he had no ice to sit on. The bear said there was not even a fresh air to breathe, only dust. Do you think it is a good idea for the animals to try and solve the problem together? Yes, if we discuss with others, we get more ideas and more solution to the problem.
All the animals gathered for a meeting. What can we do? They asked. The polar bear had an idea. Let's go to Skyland and meet the old woman who lives there. She will be able to help us. How do we go to Skyland? The animals asked. The fox said, I know the way. We must take the shining road. Follow me. The animals traveled for many days and nights. They followed the shining road to the edge of the sea and then high up into the sky. The hawk saw a small house ahead of them.
Who says that they should meet the old women? The polar bear says that they should meet the old women. How do they plan to go there? How does the way lead to the animals to reach the skyland? The animals met early the next morning and started walking towards the skyland. They followed the shining road that went to the edge of the sea and then high up to the sky.
That is the home of the Sky Woman. When they reached the house, the animals gathered around the door. Please help us. We are animals from the earth. The Sky Woman came out and asked, how can I help you? It is too hot on the earth. There is no water to drink, no air to breathe, and there is only dry brown grass to eat. The Sky Woman went into her house and returned with 3 small bags. She gave one bag each to Bear, Owl, and Rabbit. The animals thanked the Sky Woman and returned to Earth.
Do you know where do the animals see the house? Yes, the animals see the house on a cloud. You know, children, what was the condition of the Sky Woman? She said them to open those bags only after reaching the earth. That they should open these bags only upon reaching the earth, right?
All the animals gathered around to see what was in the bags. Bear opened his bag first. Whoosh! Out of the bag came the winds. Grasses and bushes swayed. Leaves flew off the trees. Then Owl opened his bag. Out came rain and fog. The animals sang and danced for joy. Hooray! Now we will have water to drink and delicious green grass to eat. Finally, Rabbit opened his bag. Out of it came soft white snow that quickly filled the air and covered the ground. From that day, the earth has 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. And ever since, all the earth's animals have had water to drink, food to eat, and air to breathe.
You know, children, after returning to the earth, all the animals gathered around to see what was in the bag. You know what came out when the rabbit opened the bag? Whoosh! The sound came out from the bag. It was a wind. You know what season does this bag contain? Yes, the season is spring. The dry grasses and bushes swayed. You know, children, what came out when the owl opened the second bag? Yes, it came rain and fog. The animals sang and danced for joy. And you know, we will have a cool water to drink in the season. What does bag contain? The season is monsoon. You know, children, what came out when the polar bear opened the bag? Finally, the polar bear opened his bag. Out of it came soft white snow that quickly filled the air and covered the ground. Yes. So tell me, what season does this bag contain? It is a winter. Can you guess what kind of a woman is she? Did you notice that she doesn't ask any questions to the animals but helps immediately to the animals, right? So we can know that she is a kind person. Do you know why Sky Woman gave this particular bag to the polar bear? She knows that's where it would be live, which is in the snow. So the polar bear lives in the snow. So from that day, the earth has had 4 seasons: spring, autumn, winter, and summer. And ever since, all the earth animals have had water to drink, food to eat, and air to breathe. Okay, children, we just read about animals and how an extremely hot climate makes their life difficult. Just think of the fish or some other animal who lives in the river or sea near where you live. When we pollute their habitats, it poisons the water and they die. So we should not waste water. We should not spoil water. You know one thing, nowadays lot of animals are sad because people are taking their homes. What can we do to help such animals? We must not cut down forests and trees. We must keep our river clean. Instead of that, we should preserve water. We have to save water. As well as we have to say to others that what we have to do to preserve lakes, rivers and sea waters. Okay, I hope really you would enjoy the story and you might understand the concept well. Here I have a little task for you. With the help of this picture, you have to find out the season. Thank you.